What's up guys, Craig here, Fergie, JKU, and today I'm pretty pumped. It's something I've been waiting for a long time, my PRP seats. So I'm gonna go ahead, unbox them because I really want to see what they look like, and then I'll go ahead and install. The harness. These are the brackets that go underneath so you can still use your sliders. Alright, here we go. So I'm going to figure out how to get these reclined, take my seats out, and it's time to get to work. I just got them out of the box. I had to call PRP because you're supposed to get a reclining tool, and I don't have that. Don't despair. If you just use a wrench, you can just turn it a little bit and the seats will recline, but check these bad boys out. They're so sweet. I got the upgraded cushion. And you can pull off the cushion if you want. It's set for a harness. I also got a lumbar, which is right here. So you can pump that up and check out that logo. Oh, it looks so good. So now I need to take my seats out, put the brackets on the sliders, 18 millimeter. Guys, I got the other seat in. I'm telling you, once you do the first seat, second seat, so much easier. Now I'm going to do my harnesses. I got the 4.2 harness from PRP. Alright guys, now I'm going to put on the harnesses. You don't need this part, so you can take that part off. So what I like to do, try and do it both at the same time, so that way they're even. So go up. Go in the other one, try to do it kind of tight, and then come back through the far one. That's it. Oh, that's not going anywhere. Try to make sure it's even. Go through. Come in and back through. Now I just do the other side. I should be done. You can see how good they look. You wanna have the harnesses right about there, and then yeah, you can tighten them up. I didn't show this, but these go underneath the bolts in the back. I put them underneath that just so that way they're really secure. Updates on the PRP seats. I've had them for a couple weeks now. Love them. The only thing is you don't always want to use the harness, so I am keeping my stock seat belts as well. I had to order a couple brackets. I ordered these brackets from Quadratech. I'll throw a link in the description. Yeah, so my goal is to hook up this mount with the seatbelt brackets. Here's the driver's side. The passenger side, it's a little funky. This is the passenger side, so I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with that, but I'm also gonna try to hook up my wires, and I'm not gonna really worry about it too much. I just zip tied them together, and I'm just gonna throw them underneath the seat, and I'm hoping that that will recognize when the seatbelt is clicked so it doesn't always ring. Otherwise I could use the J-scan, but we'll see. Guys, I got both mounts in, and they're right there, connected down, and I just took out this stuff underneath the seat. I zip tied them together, and they're underneath. This is the bladder that goes underneath the seat to tell if someone's actually sitting in it or not. I don't think it's a big deal if that's not in. You can see right here, this is where you plug it in. So it's in a good spot. And here is the driver's side. The driver's side's a little bit harder to get to, but that's okay. I'll probably be using the harnesses mostly. So yeah, that's it guys. PRP seats, love them. When I first got them, they were really tight on my shoulders, so I had to loosen up the harnesses a little bit, and now they feel great. I'll probably use the harnesses more than anything else, but it's nice to have a lap belt. I can plug it in, get that annoying seatbelt siren off. Guys, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Appreciate it.